Hello everybody, how are you? Today's episode, I am going to show you how I depot my NYX Jumbo Pencil in milk. A lot of you have asked me in various episodes, Fumi, how do you depot your NYX Jumbo Pencil in milk? And this is what I've been displaying in various episodes. So today, my loves, I'm going to show you a very easy and super direct way of you depoting your Jumbo NYX pencils into this pot here. So what do you need first? You need a container. Any container will do. I got this in Sephora. It's a nice, lovely big size, and you have enough space in there. Do you see? All right, so we're going to leave that open because we're going to put the NYX product in a few. Then you need a pair of pliers. Some people remove the back of the pencil with their teeth. I don't trust my teeth that much, so I'm going to use pliers. And then you just need like a thin brush so that you can push the product right out. This is a Jumbo NYX pencil and this color is baby blue. So the first thing we're going to do is take the pliers, I'm going to put it in between here like so, hold tight, and that is it. It is out. I think I put too much pressure here. Ula is laughing. Yes, I think I put too much pressure here. It snapped right off. But as you can see, you got the product in there. Then I take the top off. There you have it. And we are just going to scrape off the tip here because we don't need that. So just scrape that off. And then you're going to take your pencil. You know what I should do? I'm going to take a little bit of tissue. Hold on 1 minute. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of tissue. I'm going to wrap the pencil around it. And I am going to put the pencil right through. And we are going to push. Yes? So we have it right here. And we're just going to push right through. It is so easy. It takes no time at all. There you have the product. You can just bend it in like so. Take off the residue. This is the tissue that I had. Let me take that tissue out. There you go. Take that tissue out. I'm going to put that right here. Okay. Let me wipe my hands on the towel here. And when I take the pencil out, you can see it's absolutely hollow. And that's all you need. This is a Juvia's Place brush. Don't forget to use my discount code FUMI on everything Juvia's. Let me push this aside. And voila, this is your product. You can mash it in with the back of a spoon or you can leave it as is. It will melt down, not a problem, just like I have this. It is the best base for your pops of color on your lids. Adore it. And that is it, my loves. This is how you depot your NYX Jumbo Pencils. As easy as 1, 2, 3. I'll see you in a couple of days, my love. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Love you. Mwah.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on.